Medame, also called mudam or simply ful, is a delicious stew of braised fava beans made with olive oil, spices, garlic, onion, and lemon juice. This dish is traditionally enjoyed for breakfast in Egypt and many other Middle Eastern countries. Let me show you how to make these Egyptian ful medame that I'll serve with matbucha and grilled lavash. Here, I have fava beans that I've soaked overnight and cooked with herbs for about 2 hours until tender. The beans should be slightly soupy in consistency. Mash some of the beans, leaving about half of the beans whole. Add a nice buttery extra virgin olive oil with a ripe fruitiness and some cumin, Aleppo chili, salt, and pepper. Simmer until the liquid is reduced, about 10 to 15 minutes, and then remove the herbs and add the lemon juice. Now, we'll make the matbucha, which is a sauce popular around the Middle East, made with vegetables and aromatics cooked in olive oil. Matbucha can be served at room temperature or warm as part of mezze. Heat extra virgin olive oil with medium green fruitiness over low heat in a medium saucepan. Add the garlic and let cook slowly until soft and light golden brown. Add the Fresno chilies and the spices. Cook for 1 minute or until aromatic. Add the roasted peppers and let cook for about 5 more minutes. Add the tomatoes and continue to cook over medium-low heat until the liquid has evaporated, approximately 30 minutes. Remove from the heat and then add salt, pepper, lemon zest, and juice to taste. Lastly, stir in the cilantro. Now we're ready to assemble. Serve the ful medame together on the plate with the matbucha topped with shallots, parsley, a lemon wedge, and a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil and grilled lavash. And there we have our beautiful Egyptian ful medame, or braised spiced fava beans with matbucha and lavash. This is a fabulous plant-forward breakfast, main course, or shared appetizer that will spice up your menu.